In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Canva account to Cloud. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, connecting your Canva account is one of the best ways you can get the two apps communicate from Cloud. With the two connected, you can easily make creative work or give commands for your creation to be made straight from Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Anthropic Claude AI. And once you are logged into your account here, go to the side menu here. However, if your side menu is not open, then you should go to the sidebar and just go to the open sidebar menu here to expand it. Then look for customize. This will help us do this connection. Here we have an option to connect your apps. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see this lets Cloud read, write to the tools you already use. Now go ahead and tap on this and go to your tool that you wish. For my case, I want to connect Canva. So make sure first you have an account on Canva before you can make these connections. Now, because I already have an account, I can proceed, and I'm told by connecting, I'll be able to search, create, autofill, and even export Canva designs with commands from Cloud. So I'll go ahead and tap on connect here. And you'll get this window where you can go ahead and log into your Canva account. So I'll just proceed with Gmail and choose my Canva email, then continue here. And the connection is on. Now here you have to grant access. You're told this will allow Canva AI connector to read your user profile and account information, read your design metadata, create designs for you, read your design content, read your folders, upload, modify, and even delete your folders, read the content of your terms brand template, read metadata for your terms brand template, post comments on designs, read comments on designs, read your asset metadata, upload, modify, and even delete your assets, read metadata for your terms brand kit, as well as help you with designing in Canva. So you can do much by connecting the two. I'll proceed and tap on allow. And by doing so, I have now authorized Canva Cloud to access my Canva. So the two are now connected. What I need to do is just go back. And if I go back now, I can now go ahead and prompt Cloud to go to my Canva and make any design that I wish or anything that I'll wish according to the capability that we have just read. So to confirm that the two are already connected or linked, go again to the sidebar, go to customize and go to connect apps. And as you can see, now we have a check mark next to Canva, meaning the two tools can communicate perfectly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.